Hey everyone, welcome back to Today Horoscopes News, your Today Horoscopes news channel for everything Zodiac related. Have you ever wondered why some people just seem destined for success? Well, it might have something to do with their Zodiac sign. In today's video, we're diving deep into the most successful Zodiac signs, breaking down what makes them so great, and even giving some tips on how you can harness your Zodiac traits for your own success. Stay tuned, because whether you're an ambitious Capricorn, a bold Aries, or a creative Pisces, we're covering it all. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're into astrology and want to learn how to apply it to your daily life. Let's get started. Success can mean different things to different people. For some, it's climbing the corporate ladder or running a successful business. For others, it might be fame, creativity, or simply achieving personal happiness. Astrology helps us understand why certain people are naturally driven towards specific types of success. Each zodiac sign comes with unique personality traits. Some are ambitious go-getters, while others excel in creative or intuitive fields. So, let's explore which signs are known for their success and why. First up, let's start with the Earth signs, the builders and planners of the zodiac. Capricorns are often considered the most successful sign in astrology, and for good reason. Ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline and hard work, Capricorns are incredibly ambitious. They set long-term goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. You'll find many Capricorns in leadership positions, whether it's running a corporation, a political office, or even leading a community organization. Famous Capricorns include Jeff Bezos, Michelle Obama, and LeBron James. Capricorns have this incredible ability to stay focused on their goals, even when things get tough. If you're a Capricorn watching this, keep pushing forward. Success is in your DNA. Taurus, ruled by Venus, is known for its determination and reliability. Taurians are incredibly persistent. Once they set their mind on something, they're unstoppable. They're also drawn to fields that offer financial stability and comfort. Taurians have the patience to build something slowly over time, whether it's a business, a career, or a creative project. And that persistence really pays off. Virgos are known for their analytical minds and attention to detail. They're perfectionists who strive for excellence in everything they do. Ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication, Virgos often excel in fields that require precision and problem-solving. Virgos' dedication to getting things right makes them incredibly successful in careers that demand accuracy and high standards. If you're a Virgo, embrace that perfectionism. It's your superpower. Aries is ruled by Mars, the planet of action and energy. This sign is bold, courageous, and always ready to take on new challenges. Aries individuals thrive in competitive environments and are natural leaders. Aries doesn't wait for opportunities, they create them. If you're an Aries, remember that your courage is what sets you apart. Leos, ruled by the Sun, are known for their charisma and leadership qualities. They love being in the spotlight and often find success in creative fields or positions of power. Leos have this magnetic energy that draws people to them. If you're a Leo, use that natural charisma to lead and inspire others. Sagittarians are adventurous and philosophical, always seeking new experiences and knowledge. Ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, they thrive in careers that allow them to explore and grow. Sagittarians are great at seeing the big picture and inspiring others. If you're a Sagittarius, your optimism is your greatest asset. Gemini, or the versatile communicator. Libra, or the diplomatic leader. Aquarius, the innovative thinker. Cancer, the nurturing caregiver. Scorpio, the strategic powerhouse. Pisces, the creative dreamer. So, what did you think? Did your zodiac sign make the list of the most successful? Remember, while astrology can give us insight into our strengths, true success comes from knowing yourself, working hard, and staying dedicated to your goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Today Horoscopes News. And if you want more content like this, comment below with what zodiac topic you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.